Fling, welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. When I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So today I am here doing a collab with Sister Fantastic herself, Laurie Latimer. I'm so excited. This is my second collab I am doing with her. For this collab, she and I came up with the idea to do like a last summer fling, like if we could go anywhere in the summer, like our last place we could go, where would we pick? And we each chose a picture, and then she had an app that actually pulled the colors from the picture out, and that's what we're going to use to make our eyeshadow looks. I picked Capri because I've always wanted to go there. I've never really the only other country I've ever been to is Ireland, which is absolutely beautiful. Haven't been there in a long time though, but I've always wanted to go to over to Capri or something like that. It just seems so beautiful and exciting, and I figured if that could be like the only place I could go to like at the end of the summer, that's where I would go. So I picked this picture right here, and as you can see on the bottom, that is the color story that I'll be working with. So I actually pre-swatched the shadows that I'm going to use for my collection. So I think that I did a pretty decent job. So I'm just going to quickly run down and tell you which ones they are. I picked, this is Grindstone from Dandylion Cosmetics. This is from the Colourpop Meant to Be palette. This is Sales from the ABH Riviera palette. These two are from the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam palette. And this one, oh I'm sorry, this is Foglet from Dandylion Cosmetics, and this is Grindstone from Dandylion Cosmetics. So this is my color story right here. So I am not going to ramble on anymore, and I'm going to get into creating a look with this beautiful set of shadows right here. So to start off my look, I'm just going to go into Grindstone from Dandylion Cosmetics. And I'm just going to use like a windshield wiper motion and just put that in my crease and socket area. So if you guys could go on any like last minute summer fling vacation, where would you pick? There are so many places though that I would love to go, but like, I don't know, the Amalfi Coast and Capri just always look so beautiful to me. Have any of you ever been there or been to Italy? Let me know if you have, and if it's as beautiful as the pictures make it look like it is. So Laurie is one of the nicest women I've met on YouTube. She's so generous, she's kind, she uploads consistently, unlike me who has just been terrible lately. She does a lot on her channel, like she has so much variety, and she's so knowledgeable about products and stuff, and I really like listening to her. I like her voice a lot. I find her voice very calming and easy to listen to, and I enjoy watching her videos. And I always feel bad because a lot of the times when I watch everyone's videos is either, well, most of the time it's when I am actually getting ready for work, because that's when I have time to put on YouTube and stuff and watch it, if I'm not having like sometimes a dance party when I'm doing my makeup. And I like load up a whole bunch of videos to watch, and I like them, and then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go back and comment, and then I never do, and I always feel bad. So people don't know that I watch their videos, but I do. So now I'm just going to pop Sales from the Riviera palette up in my brow bone area. So I'm going to jump into the orange color from the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam palette. It's called Desert Queen, and it's this one right here. And I'm actually going to really blend that in to Grindstone. So it's gonna go in my crease again. So I'm just going to go in with a tacky base and I'm going to apply that to my mobile lid. So just like that. And now I'm going to jump into the green from the Mysterie palette, which is ice cold right here. And I'm going to place that on the inner portion of my mobile lid. And I'm just going to press it on with a flat brush. And I'm going to only bring it like halfway on my mobile lid. And now I'm just going to run this through a color switch. And I'm going to jump back into the Rustic Glam palette and I'm going to go into the blue, which is Evil Eye right here. I'm going to pick it up on the same exact brush. And I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my mobile lid. Obviously connecting the two in the middle. And then I do just want to take the brush that I had, the orange, which was Desert Queen on, and I'm actually going to go over right where they meet Desert Queen and just kind of blend them in together like that. I mean, they're not going to blend perfectly, but just smooth them out a little bit. So like that. And because I realized I actually ended up picking all mattes, I do want to give it a little bit of a sparkle. So I'm going to go into the Stila Shade Mysterie little liquid eyeshadow in the color Psychic. And I'm just going to pick some up on my finger. And I'm actually just going to press that on in the middle of my mobile lid where the green and the blue mix. Just to give it a little bit of sparkle because I can't help myself. I was like, you can do an all matte look, and then I'm like, no, you can't. So like that. So on my waterline, I just went in with NYX Faux white liner in the color Baby Powder. And now I want to go in to that dark blue color Foglet from Dandylion Cosmetics. And I'm going to place that on my lower lash line. I'm really excited to see the look that Laurie's going to create with her picture. I won't tell you the destination, like I said before, that she picked, but it's a really pretty picture, so, and she's so creative and stuff, so it'll be really nice to see what she does. So this is my finished final summer fling look based on the picture of Capri that I picked out. I actually really like how it came out. I think it came out really pretty. The colors came out really, I think they looked really nice together, at least in my opinion. I am very happy with how it came out. It does remind me of summer, the way that it's like reminds me of the ocean, because there's the blues, the greens, the orange, the browns. I just really, yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm so excited to see what Laurie does. So thank you so much, Laurie, for inviting me to do this collab. I had so much fun doing it. It was so great. Oh, and is there something called a giveaway in the title of my video? Oh, that's right, there is. Me and Laurie are doing a giveaway. There's going to be 2 winners, so it's going to be, she's going to be doing a giveaway and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. They're both starting today and they will run through Wednesday, September 1st. So I'll do the quick housekeeping for the giveaway really fast before I show you what you could be winning. So obviously, YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. You need to be 18 years or older. You need to have a valid US address. This is going to be US only. I do apologize. I will do an international one again soon. You need to publicly be subscribed to both me and Laurie. Even if you're just entering one of our giveaways, you have to be subscribed to both of us, and publicly, so that we can see and make sure. So to enter, all you have to do is leave a comment below that you want to be entered. If you want to leave your Instagram handle, you can. If not, when I draw the winner, you can either message me on Instagram or shoot me an email letting me know that you are the winner so that I can get your address to mail your prize to. So without further ado, let's see what you will be getting if you enter the giveaway. I have this lovely set of Alamar face brushes, this red lip oil, this is a lip gloss from Estate Cosmetics and it is called Glazed, and I'll show you. I've never used any of this stuff. Sorry, I just ripped the box trying to open it. And it looks like this. A sheet mask, a face mask, and this one is really cool because it has actually little acupuncture like gold beads in it. So when you put it on, if you massage certain parts of your face, it gives it some like acupuncture, and it's supposed to be very soothing and stuff. I like things like that, so I thought this was really cool, so I wanted to include this. And obviously it gives you like instructions on the back, like how to do it and everything. So there's this. And the final thing that I am giving away is a Ciate London The Editor palette. Oh, whoa, that's shiny. Looks like that. Still shining. And it looks like this inside. I'm like the worst at showing when I was giving away. I'm like, that's so yeah, I couldn't be on like a game show of like showing, here's what the contestants are gonna win. I'm like, this is it. Okay, so once again, thank you so much, Laurie, for inviting me to do this collab. Obviously, I'll have her video listed below in the description. Please go check her out. You will not regret it. She is a wonderful, wonderful person. So my Celestial Cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that's totally fine. I get it. No, I'm not one of the cool kids, but that's okay. So thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by, so thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!